Did you know that Persian asman for the sky and English heaven come from the same Indo-European root, and that Indo-European root probably means sharp? It's the same root that's reflected in, for example, the words that give us uh, acid from Latin. It's also much more closely the root that gives us Greek akmon. Or no, I think the accent is on the first syllable there. Akmon, a rock from heaven, a meteor. It's also the root behind Greek akme. Akme, root accent is on the second syllable there, which is the acme, right? The summit of a big rock, a mountain. Probably the reason why in Germanic languages and in Persian this root becomes a word for the sky is the ancient conception of the sky as actually being something solid that's over us, right? It's like a bowl turned upside down. You can often see signs of this in Norse mythology in the way that the gods are said to be on the sky, all hymni, not in it. The notion being, I think, that up there is another surface atop which the gods dwelling, Osgarder, which is an enclosure on top of the sky, is. And then there is a road down from that to us that probably goes east from there down to us based on the way that Thor is said to travel here. And that road is Bifrost. It's still all part of one map, right? They're not different planets, but that thing up there is something solid. Now, the shape of this word uh, originally in Germanic languages is probably best reflected by Gothic hymens, Old Norse hymn. English heaven shows dissimilation of the M from the N, right? We don't want two nasals in a row, so we change the first one into not a nasal. And then German Himmel, same thing, but the dissimilation happens with the second nasal, and then that word is borrowed into, for example, modern Norwegian, Danish, etc. The use in English of sky rather than heaven, right now we just use heaven, which is the old sky word in typically a religious or poetic sense. Sky is from Old Norse sky, which means cloud. That is from an Indo-European root for a covering, right? Because the sky, the clouds cover us, or alternately obscure, cover the sky from us. That's from the same Indo-European root that gives us a Latin word like scutum, shield.